Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go through an unboxing of the McCulloch 1375. I picked up this steamer primarily for doing car details. I do car detailing on the side. It's not my primary source of income. I just do it on the side, and over the last, I think I started 2 years ago, like actually getting paid, not just doing it for friends and family, but actually getting paid by people that I didn't know for the last 2 years. So I built up enough revenue from doing that. I think I've done, I don't know, maybe like 20 cars or so. I've been cleaning the interiors the old-fashioned way with detail brushes and scrub brushes and stuff like that. So I got the steamer just to help speed that process up. So let's go through the unboxing. Okay, so this is the McCulloch 1375. This is their smaller version. It's not the smallest one. They do have one that's even smaller than this, but they do make one that's bigger. I believe it's the 1385. This is the 1375. You can put 48 ounces of water inside this canister in here, and then this will give you 90 minutes of continuous steam, which for my purpose is plenty long enough. Even if I had to even if I ran out of steam after those 90 minutes and I had to refill it again, it takes about 10 minutes for the steam to build up the pressure, and then you're rocking and rolling 10 minutes later. Obviously it comes with the steamer handle itself. Has the trigger. This little button here is push it that way, the trigger's locked. Push it back that way. Now the trigger's unlocked. Has a dial here for increasing or decreasing the amount of steam, and then just the pressure gauge just to show you, you know, when the pressure is good to go. The hose on this is a 10-foot hose. So 10-foot hose, that'll, you know, you leave this outside the car and it'll be perfect for what you're using. The hose itself, it is very good quality hose. You know, it's not like a vacuum hose or anything like that. Obviously, you know, this has to be able to withstand very high heat, and it's definitely a good quality hose. And then of course the power cord on the back. It's a good quality power cord. I don't know how long this is. I'm gonna guess maybe 10 feet. Eventually I'll open this up and I'll actually see how long this is, but it looks like it's about 10 feet. Okay, so these are all the accessories that come with the McCulloch 1375. First, you get two 16.5-inch extension wands. You get a microfiber mop pad, a scrubbing mop pad. You get this 5.5-inch jet nozzle. You can see that it has a little nozzle on the end of it. Get the triangular brush, which is probably going to be the main workhorse for why I actually bought this, being that it's going to be mainly for detailing cars. Along with that is this large brush. You know, the triangular nozzle clicks into this, and then this has, I mean, you can see it has more bristles on there, and that's how it all clicks together. We have two 1.5-inch nylon utility brushes. You can see these are, you know, same type of brushes. You have a 1.5-inch brass brush. This is for like doing your grill and other hard areas like that. You get an angled nozzle. This, you know, just so you can angle it down, get into tighter spaces. All these attachments, they fit right onto this 5.5-inch jet nozzle. After that, we have a 3-inch scraper. After that, we have, this is the Mop Head. You know, it's not just for, obviously I'm going to be using it for detailing cars, but you know, you can use this in, you know, in your house. You can mop kitchen floors, probably hardwood floors, your towels in your bathroom, you know, in your shower and whatnot with that. Along with that comes just another brush attachment that clicks onto the bottom of this. Obviously, this scrub pad and this microfiber pad, they attach to the bottom. When you flip this over, there's these teeth on the bottom that grip into the pads, and then obviously these little holes. That's where the steam comes out of. And after that, it also comes with this 2.5-inch bristle brush. So this is the 2.5. It's a little bit bigger, obviously, than the 1.5. It also comes with these two round scrub pads. These are almost kind of similar to like a Scotch-Brite pad. Comes with a little filling cup, so you know how much fluid you're putting into your steamer. Comes with the storage bag that all these goodies can go into, and also I already attached it to the back of the steamer, but comes with an accessory net. So whatever stuff I'm primarily going to be using, I can just stick it right in this net so that it's at my fingertips. That's going to conclude today's video. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those down below. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Thank you, and have a great day.